Today we're going to talk about Diphthong UI, and let's go through the description here. So diphthongs occur, that's basically the definition of diphthongs or when they occur, and this is similar to what you have seen previously. So diphthongs occur when an unstressed I, U, or Y ending appears next to another vowel in the same syllable. Their vowel sounds are not changed, but they blend together to form a single syllable. So one such vowel combination, UI or UY word ending, is pronounced like the English word we, except that it's somewhat shorter. Alright, so let's go through some examples here.
Listen to the following words. They all contain the UI diphthong.
Diphthong, okay.
Muy,
Muy. So basically we have U and Y. So it's either UI or UY, and it's pronounced like we except it's shorter. So it's muy, 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 muy,
muy, muy, muy,
muy, muy,
muy, muy. Ruido,
ruido,
cuidado,
cuidado,
cuidado, cuidado,
cuidado,
cuidado.
cuidado,
Luis,
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 Luis. Influir,
influir,
construir,
construir.
Listen and repeat. Concentrate on combining the two vowels into a single syllable in the
Alright.
manner of the native speakers.
Alright.
Muy,
Muy,
ruido,
ruido,
cuidado,
cuidado,
Luis.
Luis,
Influir,
influir,
construir,
construir.
Listen and repeat again.
muy,
Muy,
ruido,
ruido,
cuidado,
cuidado,
Luis.
Luis,
Influir,
influir. And the last one,
construir.
construir. Alright folks, so this was Diphthong UI. Next video we'll be looking at consonant J. So until then, see you next time.